Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint Chapter 2 Simulation Training Hands-on Exercise 1. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. So go to PowerPoint Chapter 2 Simulation Training Hands-on Exercise if you want to do this training from me, and if you need help in this course you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this course. I will do your all Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word, all multi-lab course. I will do your all simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, all assignments, project, and final exam with A plus grade. Okay, so we will launch our training. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. Click on launch button so our training will be launched. Okay, question 1 is that change the theme font of the presentation to Corbel. We will go to the design tab. In the themes group we will go to okay theme font is Corbel. On slide 2, change the font size of title placeholder to 66 point. Okay, on slide 2, change the font size of the title placeholder to 66 point. We will go to slide 2, we will select the title placeholder and we will apply, go to the home tab in the font group, apply, go to the font size and we will apply 66 font size. Okay, so on slide 2, change the font color of title text services to white text one under theme color. On slide 2, change the font color of the title text services to white text one under theme color. We will go to the home tab in the font group, go to the font color, we will apply text 1, white text 1 under theme color, white text 1. Okay. So on slide 2, apply italic to the title text services. We will select this title services, go to the home tab in the font group, apply italic. So next point is that use the format painter to apply the formatting from the title placeholder on slide 2 to the title placeholder on slide 3 and 4. Turn off format painter. Okay, we will go to the home tab in the clipboard group, click on format painter button. Okay, use the format painter to apply the formatting from title placeholder on slide 2 to the title placeholder on slide 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay, we'll select this title. So go to slide 4, we'll select this title and we will apply format painter on this title on slide. Okay, click on format painter button. So we will go to slide 4 and we will select this title instruments and we will apply on this format painter. Question is completed now. So moving on, question number 2. In question number 2, okay, 1 second, give me a second, my internet is right some slow now. On slide 2, delete the image. We will go to slide 2 and then we will delete the image on slide 2. Select this image and click on delete button. On slide 2, change the paragraph text in the first bullet point in the content placeholder to instruction. On slide 2, change the paragraph text in the first bullet point in the content placeholder to instruction. We will select this and then we will enter instruction. So on slide 3, delete the illustrations. On slide 3, we will delete the illustration. We will select this and then delete this. On slide 3, change the font color of text master violin class to dark blue accent 4 under theme color. On slide 3, change the font color of text master violin class to dark blue accent 4 under theme color. Go to the home tab in the font group, go to font color, dark blue accent 4. Okay, here is dark blue accent 4. So question is completed now. I just show you two question in my video. Total question of this training is 3, but I have done this complete training for my student. Now I'm going to submit this training on my Tila Pearson portal, and I will show my grade which I have got in this training. If you want to do this training from me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I will do your complete MyLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access with A plus grade. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam, all assignments project, and final exam with A plus grade. You can see on my laptop screen I have got 100% grade in this training. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python.